Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my new mat for dog bowls, and so it's nice because this is dishwasher safe and I can put it on the ground here and it will look good, plus it'll keep all the water and maybe the other junk that my dog might have, and it'll keep it inside this area. So this is a big mat here. This is nice. It's a totally big mat. It's big enough to hold all the stuff that you can think of. And so oh yeah, it's a really big mat. So if you can see here, it's got this big mat here, and this is perfect because this will hold everything in from when my dog eats or has her water. And so this is perfect. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice gray one here, and it's a big enough mat so that if they spill anything any which way, it'll get in there as well. And it's nice. I mean, you can feel it. It's just nice rubber, and it's dishwasher safe. So this is perfect. It's a little mat here that'll be perfect for, they say it could be used for pet bowls. I mean, even if you have a small fridge, this can be used for anything. But this is what I like using it for, because I can use it for anything that might spill or might have some food come out or water, and it'll all stay in this area. So this is perfect, and I like it, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up.